Oakville around 5:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Bend, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Jackson, Kewaskum, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Ashford, Adel, Wayne, Silver Creek, Beechwood, Fillmore, Geneva, Waukesta, Boltonville, Alenton, Batavia, Hingham, Newfane, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.